Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this next pair of shoes to go ahead and show you all the details, and that's what I'm going to do. And what do I have here? I have shoes that are just perfect for your next wedding, prom, Easter, anything where you need some nice, sophisticated patent leather shoes that are comfortable. They are well padded. These are for you. So let me kind of go through them here. First of all, there is kind of a pointed toe. It's not a rounded toe. It's a nice pointed toe, very sexy, very sophisticated. You can see you also have the strap on the back here. It is adjustable, so you can actually get your fitting just right with that. My wife has actually worn these a couple times, and she says they're very comfortable, and there is a fair bit of padding in there. I don't know if you can see it, but it is fairly well padded. You could probably go the whole day with this. This heel is about 2.5 inches, and it's a small heel. It's a tight heel on the end, so you can kind of see. So they look really, really nice. My daughter actually fought my wife for these. She is probably going to wear these to one of her eighth grade dances, which is coming up soon. But you can kind of see they just look beautiful. They are a beautiful color. They are well made. There is nothing loose on them. Everything is nice and tight and kind of firm. They're just really, really good shoes. Both my wife and daughter, again, they both thought they were very comfortable. They look good. These are the sorts of shoes that you always want to have because you never know when you're going to have to go to an event. You say, oh my gosh, I need a pair of quick, dressy shoes. They come in multiple colors. These are obviously white. Those are probably the ones you're going to go for the most of the time because white goes with almost anything, black goes with almost anything. But as you can see, these are just beautiful shoes, and they're really, really nice.